Installing the products is really easy, and you'll not need the help of a professional. All you need is an angle grinder, a pen, a ruler, a metal wire brush, a toothed trowel, a level, and glue. We recommend that you use protective equipment, gloves and protective goggles. As we have a variety of shapes and shades in each box, we recommend that before beginning the installation, you mix the products from several boxes as to have a harmony of shapes and colours. Placing the stones without gluing gives you a better feel as how the final wall will look and helps you make better placement choices. Before beginning the installation, check that your support is dry and in good condition. Mark your stone for cutting and cut it using an angle grinder on the back to avoid chipping. Begin the installation from a corner. Apply the glue to the wall and to the back of the stone, then place it on the wall using a back and forth movement. For better adherence, we recommend that you scratch the back of the stones using a wire brush. Use a level to assure that the rows are straight. When beginning a new row, place the stone with an offset relative to the stone below. This will improve the appearance of the finished wall and create a more natural look. After finishing the installation, we recommend using a water and oil repellent spray in order to facilitate the maintenance of the stones.